Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 7 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing look number 7 in this series. So I'm going to take this Morphe M504 and pick up Weekender. My eyes are primed with concealer and set with just a little bit of powder. Next on this Morphe M441, I'm going to pick up Riff and I'm going to deepen the crease and just blend that into the first shade. Next, I'm going to pick up this Morphe M513 and take Baja, and I'm going to work that on the outer corner and lightly into the crease. Taking that first brush with no extra product and just blending out the edges. I'm going to take a packing brush and pick up Ignite, and I am going to spray that. I'm going to pack that on the inner corner. And then on the other side of that brush, I'm going to pick up Accelerate and spray that. I'm going to pack that right on the center. And then back in one more time with Baja. Next, I'm going to take a angled brush and I'm going to take Jet, run that along my lash line. Okay, so I'm going to go finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup, so I'm going to finish up my eyes really quick. First, taking Baja on this Morphe E18, just smoking that out on the lower lash line. Then taking this Morphe E17 brush, I'm going to pick up Riff and smoke out the edges of Baja. Then taking Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. I just added Breakaway to the inner corner and right under the arch of my brow and added some mascara. All of the products I used will be listed in the description box below, so if I didn't say them, they will be down there. I really like how this look turned out. I was trying to look at this palette to see which colors I hadn't used yet, and I hadn't used Accelerate yet, so I thought this was a good way to use it. I think that this turned out really pretty. It looks like a pretty simple eye look, but I think it's very wearable and still bold. I think it's really pretty. I did film this face makeup, so if you want to see that, it'll be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.